was interested, but then I think he stopped noticing that I had marshmallows in my hand. Look at Muffin. Give it a little piece of marshmallow. Ooh. You get that marshmallow. You get it. Well, now you lost it. How are you supposed to eat it now? Eat this one. It's right there. Eat it. Eat it, Muffin. You liked it yesterday. Get it, Muffin. Get it. Did you lose your marshmallow? I'm not just gonna keep giving you pieces of marshmallow for you to lose under the furniture. Look. Eat it. Eat it. There it goes.